Hello my gorgeous loves out there and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be swatching, testing out, and creating a look with the Sugar Drizzle Mini Holographic Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm going to pair it with the Blends palette from Blend Bunny. I haven't tried this out. This is all matte, so I figured they would pair it nicely together. But before we get into this video, if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Bri and I am just a crazy lover of all things beauty. And I like to post a lot of fun and colorful makeup content. I like to do a lot on indie makeup, so if that is what you're into, then please hit that subscribe button and join this little family. But with that being said, let's get into this video. Alright loves, I'm going to get right into it because I'm so excited to see what the formula is like in this palette. Now, I know it's on the small side, it's a little guy, but it's full of special holographic shimmers, and shades like this from other indie brands can cost from $17 to $20 for a full-size single. So to get 6 different options for 45 bucks, I think it's totally worth it. Now, they're, smaller pans, but if you're just wanting to try out the formula, see what it's like, see if it's worth the hype before committing to like full-size shadows, I feel like this would be a really good option. So I'll get a little closer because I want to swatch them with you guys. I might need to lower the lighting so you can really see the shimmers in it, because it has like these special shimmers, like these holographic shimmers in here that are supposed to shift, and I believe the shadows are also shifty as well. So let me show you guys the palette up close. I think this is going to be like a perfect little companion palette to go with other like bigger palettes. The shade names are on the back, and then inside has these 6 shimmers of different colors, like a nudie one, a purple, green, a bluey one, and I can see the little shifty shimmers inside. So I want to start swatching these with you guys. Now the formula seems super creamy and smooth. The pans are so little, but I rarely ever go through an eyeshadow. I don't think I ever have actually, so I'm fine with them being smaller. I'm sure your brush could easily fit into them. They're just harder to get your fingers into them. But these are the first 3 shades out of this palette, which is called Hollow Light, Hollow Me, and Hollowness. Can you guys see the shimmers? I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to get it to pick up, but these are so pretty. Let me try to lower my lighting a little bit. Yeah, I feel like that's better. So I'm going to swatch them right here so we can look at them together. Look how smooth those are. Ooh, these are so pretty and smooth. So these are the first 3. I hope it's picking up the little glitters because in person I can see them. They're so gorgeous. Okay, let's get into the next 3 and then I'll show you guys them all swatched out together. I just wanted to show you guys them actually being swatched. So the next 3, oh my god, they're just so creamy. I love how they feel. And the next 3 is called Hollow Mania, which is this one. This is Hollowa and Hollow Night. Ooh, these are pretty colors too. Just trying to get close so you guys can really see these. It's like shifty shades with special holographic glitters. Basically, that's it. And I'll swatch them right here. They're just so smooth. And I didn't have to press that hard in the pan to get the shadow to pick up because they're on the creamy side. Do you guys see that? I hope it's picking up on camera. I can't really tell what you're seeing in the little viewfinder, but these are so fun. Get just as close as I can get. So those are the 6 little shadows that are in here. So let me show you guys the shadows all swatched out up close, and then we will get into a look. Let's get into this eye look, guys. Those swatches were absolutely stunning, but I want to prime my eyes. So I'm going to use this one from Give Me Glow and Parchment, so we can get like a nice little canvas for these shadows. I can't wait to see how this is going to look on the eyes, like these beautiful shimmers. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. So I'm just tapping that out. And I'm going shopping today and it's super sunny outside, so I feel like it's really gonna show the holographic shimmers when I'm out and about. So let's get into the blends palette first. And this is weird for me to say, but I'm feeling like a nudie look on the top, and then maybe do like either a pop of blue or a pop of purple on the bottom, because these two more nudie shimmers right here are really calling me, these two right here. And then maybe I can pop one of these on the bottom with some of like a colored matte down there. I know that that's just never my go-to, but I'm switching it up. I don't always have to be so bright and colorful. So I'm gonna start off with browns. Who am I? I don't know who I am. So I'm gonna start off with, I guess, Mama Bear. I'm gonna go mid-tone. Mama Bear, that is such a cute name. And I'm taking this rougher brush and I'm just gonna work that through the crease. I did not set my eyeshadow primer, and I never do, but I'm just letting you know in case you're wondering. So, wow. I don't know when's the last time I used brown shadow on my channel, but I don't know. I was feeling like a really shimmery, nudie look on the top lid and then doing just a pop of color today. That is the vibe I'm in. So let me get that all through the crease. So now I'm going to take this Truth shade. When do I ever use like a light beige shade? But I'm going to use that to blend the edges. Just get everything nice and diffuse. I'm not focusing too much on the mattes here. I'm just showing you guys what I'm using so we can get right to the shimmers. But I'm familiar with Blend Bunny's matte formula and everybody loves this palette, and so far it's performing as expected. Now I'm going to take the shade called Depth right here. I'm going to use that to deepen the outer corner, and I'm using the same brush for all the shadows. Keeping it simple today, and I'm going to keep that just on the outer corner for some depth. Nothing exciting is going on the lids right now until we get to the shimmers. So I think I'm going to do a pop of blue on the lower lash line instead of purple. I'm going to start off with Chance. This pretty deep blue. It's not a super dark blue, but it's on the deeper side. And I'm going to start on the outer corner. And I'm not going to bring this all the way through because I don't want it to be too dark in the front. I'm just going to stamp that down here. I'm going to clean this little brush off, and I'm going to go into Dream now, the pastel blue, just to lighten things up and to blend out the edge of that deeper blue. I have my little pop of blue. I did use some of the pastel in the front, and the pastel was so pigmented in this palette. I can see why people love this blends palette. But now let's get into the Sugar Drizzle holographic palette. And on the website, it recommends using a glitter primer, some kind of tacky primer to put these on. So I'm going to use the Give Me Glow Harder Glitter and Shimmer Primer. This is a good one. It reminds me of like the one from NYX, or the one from Unearthly. I mean, you can use any glitter, like tacky primer. So I'm going to cover my whole lid up here. And I'm going to take some of the holographic shades down here too. So I'll put some glitter primer down there as well. All right, so I'm going to start off with this shade right here. I think it's called Hollow Light. It might be Hollow Me. I'm not sure. I get confused when they put the names on the back. But I'm going to go right into this one, this pan. And I'm using the same brush that I used to put the glitter primer down. It picks up so well on a brush. Do you see that? So I'm going to use that on the outer edge. This one's kind of like a taupey one. That's why I was like, I want it to go with a more nudie look. And it has the little shifty glitters in it. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's so pretty. Oh, this is going to look so pretty in the sunlight when I'm outside today, because it's such a beautiful, sunny, kind of springy day, which is nice because we've been having really cold weather here. So that's a relief. But do you guys see how pretty that is? It's such a beautiful, like, elevated taupey neutral shade with like the little shimmers in it. I don't know if you guys can see it. I hope you guys can. So now I'm going to take the other shade that I want to try, and it's this one right here, which I think has like maybe a magenta green shift. I think this one is called Hollow Mania. I think it is. But it's this one right here. And this one too kind of had like nudie vibes, but some green to it and on the lighter side. So I'm going to use that in the inner portion. Ooh, Yeah, there's some like a purpleness to it. And I'm just gonna cover the whole inner portion. Wow, this is pretty too. I just love that they're shifty, kind of unexpected. Ooh, they're so creamy and so smooth. So let's do the lower lash line together. And I think I'm gonna go with this one right here called Hollow Night. Pretty sure that's the name, this one right here. And I did put glitter primer on my lower lash line, so I wanna just stick that on there. Ooh, it's going over those shadows really nicely, that like the light blue. Oh, that is fun. That is so fun. I'm just gonna really pack them on. So there are the shadows. I'll lower the light and everything so you guys can really see the shimmers once I finish off the look. But I want to use the pastel blue, the Dream shade, and I'm gonna mix it with the white matte card Cream and Sugar just to make it even lighter so I can really pop the inner corner. So that's why I love when there's like a matte white and a matte black in a palette, because you can kind of customize any color shade to either be darker or lighter in a palette. So I'm just gonna pop that as my inner corner highlight just to incorporate a little bit more blue into the look. Hopefully that will make it pop. And there is the look, guys. I love this nudie brown eye, but with like the pop of blue in the bottom and the inner corner. So I'm gonna finish off the look and then I'll give you like an up close view and lower the lighting and everything so you can see the shadows, but I will be right back. All right, my loves, I am back. Here's the finished look. Now that I have my like liner, mascara, my lippy on, I am so happy with how this turned out. It was such a simple look to do, something nudie on the eyes with a pop of color in the lower lash line. I feel like this is a great kind of look to do if you're trying to get into using color on your eyes. Just using it on the lower lash line or using some color in the inner corner can just really elevate a look, but keep it still more subdued and a little bit more nudie. At least this is subdued for me, and I think it came out really beautiful. The blends palette is so gorgeous. These mattes are really good. And the holographic shimmers are so pretty and creamy. So I'm gonna lower the lighting a little bit and zoom you guys in closer. I think maybe that will help you guys see the shadows more. And I also put the flashlight on my phone just to show you guys. I hope you're seeing how pretty these are. They're gorgeous. Like, they're absolutely stunning in person. Like, when I look at it in the mirror, I'm like, wow, these are gorgeous. Let me see. Can you guys see? I don't know what you're seeing, but yes, they're so pretty. That is such a weird angle that I'm doing, but I'm just trying to capture it. I just feel like holographic shimmers are just not easy to capture on camera. But let me zoom you out because you don't need to be this close. So what I did off camera to finish this look is I went in with the LA Girl Shockwave liner and electric just to add more blue. I put it in the waterline. I used the LA Girl Jet Setter liquid eyeliner to create a wing, and I used the Beauty For Real High Def mascara and the Petite and Pretty Full Feathered Volumizing mascara together to make the perfect lash combo. They make my lashes so full and long. And then for my lips, I went in with this liquid lipstick from Glamlight. It's the shade called Chocolate. It does smell like chocolate. It's more of a warm brown. I just wanted to keep it nudie on the lips as well. And that is all I did to complete this really beautiful sparkly look. I just want to keep staring at myself in the viewfinder and in the mirror because it's so, so pretty. So let me zoom you guys out even further. I'll back up a little bit and we can wrap up this video. I'm just gonna get right to the point. I totally think this little palette is worth the $45 price tag. It's full of special shifty shimmers that are creamy, that have these holographic shimmers throughout, so it totally can just take a look to the next level and really elevate it. And it's such a good entryway into holographic shimmer. So if you've been always wanting to try this formula, I think this is a good option because you get 6 shades to work with and you can see if it's something for you and if it's really worth getting like full-size singles from other indie brands. So I totally think this is cool that Sugar Drizzle did this. It's a perfect little companion palette to go with other palettes. You can put it on other shimmers to elevate them. And I just think it's cool. Like I have such a nudie look on the lids with that pop of blue, and it's so beautiful and gorgeous and stunning, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I also think the blends palette is beautiful. I get the hype. The shadows are really pigmented, blendable, even the pastels. I mean, I didn't use that many shadows, but I'm happy I finally picked this up. I feel like this is gonna go with so many palettes, like be a good companion palette for me as well. So that was my thoughts on this beautiful little holographic palette. I hope I was able to capture the beauty of these shadows on camera for you guys. I tried my best with the swatches and showing you up close with my eye look. Anyways, that was everything for this video. You guys will have to let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of these shadows? Have you tried holographic shimmers before? Did you pick up this palette? I would love to hear from all of y'all. And if you're new here and you enjoy this video, you like a lot of fun, colorful makeup content, a lot on indie makeup, then please hit that subscribe button and join this little family. Also, don't forget to check out the description below. I'll have both of these palettes linked if you want to check them out for yourself. I'll link the rest of my makeup, like what foundation and everything that I am wearing. I will also have other videos of mine that I've done, like other ones on Sugar Drizzle products. And I will have my contact and my social media platforms. I'm also on Instagram as Breezy Lifestyle and Breezy_Beauty. So if you want to join my Instagram fam, I would really, really love that. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for being here, supporting my channel, being amazing. I just appreciate you guys all so very much, and I just hope you are all doing well wherever you are in the world, and I'm just sending you so much light and love. But until next time, bye guys.